Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be prepping 3 super easy and tasty, high-protein vegan meals that are perfect for pre or post-workout or just any time of the day. This time, I'm gonna make it incredibly easy for you, so I'm only gonna be using ingredients that you can easily find pretty much anywhere. No crazy superfoods or anything like that. Let's get started. Recipe number 1. Taco Bowl-inspired chickpeas and sweet corn. I've got chickpeas, edamame, almonds, a can of cooked sweet corn, and an avocado. All of those are super high in protein, and I've got some other veggies to cook with. And for the flavor elements, I have some tomato paste, spices and herbs. First, dice an onion. I like to use red onion for the flavor. And also dice a carrot. So each of my recipes will make about 2 to 4 meals depending on how much you eat. Now, as you know, I'm making a lot of meals and I'm trying not to waste any food, so I'm making them in a small portion. Get a pot or a frying pan ready. Extra virgin olive oil. Once the pot is heated, add the red onion and carrot. Cook until the onion is translucent. Add the chickpeas. Now I'm gonna add some garlic powder, thyme, oregano, and paprika. And add a good amount of tomato paste or tomato puree. Finally, add some cooked sweet corn. Use the water to deglaze the pot. I added more of the herbs. Black pepper. For this recipe, I didn't add any salt, but you can of course. Go ahead and get creative. Like if you add curry powder along with water or plant milk, now you have chickpea curry. Now the chickpeas and sweet corn are ready, and this is smelling so good. Set the pot aside. Now roughly chop the almonds. And slice the avocado. Make sure you do so when you're about to eat, so it's fresh and green. I'm using about 1.3 cups of brown rice for each of those recipes. So that was my chickpeas and sweet corn. Next, I'm making something super simple and classic. Steamed broccoli and fried tofu steak. I'm using 2 heads of broccoli. Broccoli and tofu are just some of the healthiest things you can eat. They've got iron, many minerals, and all sorts of essential vitamins. I've got extra firm tofu, another excellent source of protein. And I'm also using some bell peppers and a carrot. First, place the tofu on a flat surface and press it down to squeeze all the water out. It's gonna take some time, so use something flat and heavy. Next, cut the broccoli into florets. Never throw away broccoli stems. They're nutritious and flavorful and creamy. I'm gonna save them for another dish, like cream of broccoli soup. Cut some red and yellow bell peppers any way you like. They're gonna add some colors to the dish and are optional. Same for the carrot. Once the tofu is fairly dry, slice it into medium thin pieces. Now I'm gonna steam all the veggies. Get a pan and pour adequate water to it. And get a steamer. If you don't have one, you can just simply put the veggies in a bowl. Add some water to it, and slightly cover the bowl with a microwave-safe plate and steam in a microwave. That is actually the fastest way. You'll just have to do it in batches unless you're using a large bowl. Steaming is the best and healthiest way to cook vegetables as it retains most of the nutrients in them, if not all. I put the broccoli and carrot on the bottom layer because they require more heat, and the bottom of the steamer gets hotter. Into a bowl of flour, add salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and mix well. Drop the tofu pieces in the mixture. Fry the tofu in an oiled pan. Now I should have used much less oil. You don't have to fry or pan fry the tofu. You can just grill it if you like. You can even make it oil-free. Add chili flakes for some heat. And I like to use some fresh rosemary. Flip the tofu. I added some more chili flakes because I like spicy. And now you have super tasty and flavorful fried tofu. The veggies should be soft by now. Don't forget to monitor them while you're cooking the tofu because you can overcook the broccoli and turn it yellow and brown. For the rice, I mixed some brown rice with some wild black or purple rice, which are also protein-packed. Drop some of the preserved garlic powder and paprika-infused oil onto the veggies if you like. I have one more recipe for you, which is what I'm most excited about. But before that, if you like these recipes, please like this video or share and subscribe to my channel. Now it's time for roasted sweet potato and super flavorful black beans. For this recipe, I have black beans, raw cashews, kale, which are excellent source of protein. And I've got this giant sweet potato. I've got some asparagus, which are also high in protein. And again, some bell peppers to cook with the black beans. First, I'm gonna have this giant sweet potato because I'm only using half of it and cut it into rough cubic pieces. Place the sweet potato pieces on a baking tray. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil and season with some salt. Coat every piece with the oil and salt. And I'm gonna roast the sweet potato in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut some red and yellow bell peppers into medium-sized cubes. Roughly chop the kale and the asparagus. And here's where I messed up. I was just gonna cut the bottom end of them. I'm gonna add the kale and asparagus to the same baking tray when the sweet potato is cooked halfway, so put them aside for now. Next, get a pot. Extra virgin olive oil. When it's heated, add the black beans and the bell peppers to the pot. Let's spice this up. Add turmeric, garlic powder, paprika, dried thyme, and dried oregano, and stir fry well until fragrant. Now I have super flavorful black beans. Now the sweet potato is cooked halfway. Place the kale and asparagus on the tray. Season them with salt, black pepper, and again some extra virgin olive oil. Also make sure you flip the sweet potato pieces. And put the tray back into the oven. Now everything is ready. So that was it. There you have 3 super easy and tasty, high-protein vegan meals that you can enjoy pre or post-workout or just any time of the day.